To the devotees, honorable devotees of Bhagwan Sri Krishna Ji, I extend my profound respect for your devotion and bhakti to Bhagwan Sri Krishna Ji. Today it is 29th of June 2024 and it's time for us to carry out Gyan Amrit Manthan of chapter 2 verse 42, dealing with who is a sensible person and who is not so sensible person. So for this, let's start our prayer today, Gyan Amrit Manthan today, with first studying in Mool Bhasha.
यामिमां पुष्पितां वाचं प्रवदन्त्यविपश्चिताः वेदवादर्ताः पार्थ नान्यदस्तीति वादिनः
याम इमाम पुष्पितां वाचं प्रवदन्ति अविपश्चितः वेदवाद रताः पार्थ न अन्यत अस्ति इति वादिनः। वेदों में सुशोभित करने वाली भाषाओं का इस्तेमाल कर बहुत से अविपश्चित जन, जिन्होंने पश्यना नहीं की है, अविपश्चित जन, जिनमें विवेक की कमी है, ज्ञानी हैं पर विवेकी नहीं, पढ़े लिखे हैं पर विवेकी नहीं, उनको एक ही बात समझ में आती है कि सकाम कर्म के जो कर्म कांड हैं वेदों में, उनको डू इट एंड अटेन हेवन. दे आर अनएबल टू थिंक बियॉन्ड हेवन. हेवन इज एवरीथिंग फॉर दैम एंड द हेवन, all philosophy of the world tell us that heaven is like a bank balance. The moment bank balance is over, you are as wiser as anybody could be and miserable as anybody else could be. So this miserable situation is part of going to heaven and returning back into the cycle of birth and death. So to understand this, they are called aviveki or avipassit, or those who have not understood the essence of life. While the essence of life is to make the soul in our body to merge with the Bhagwan through bhakti, jnana yoga, karma yoga, dhyana yoga. So for this purpose we need to do a different lifestyle. Now it comes the time to analyze that while
Hey,
the human beings,
where are you? I'm missing you.
even the earth is shouting for us, that all those who are running for heaven or aspiring to get heaven are actually exploiting her to that an extent that they generate the maximum pollution. So we are leaving a trail of misery in our search for the heaven. So let's not run after heaven. This is the mission, because even you run after the heaven, getting the heaven, you will be termed as aviveki, avipassit. So understand the constitution of the universe and let's understand again in our English language.
O Partha, the unwise people speak flowery speeches of the Vedas and claim that there is nothing higher than seeking the heaven.
Let's understand it in more explanation.
Here, Lord Sri Krishna is pointing to such inconsiderate people who remain engrossed in the worldly pleasures and who are more enamored of the Vedic utterances. They only see heaven as their goal. For such people, there is nothing more significant other than attaining it. They only talk in an overly flowery language, which is graceful and delightful. There is no doubt that our Vedas and scriptures also suggest measures that can help a person to attain heaven. But the inconsiderate and greedy people assume this as the ultimate goal and spend their lives in worldly pleasures.
So we understand that the heaven is all about running after worldly pleasures, and these pleasures lead us to exploitation of natural resources and the environment in such a manner that it creates pollution. And this pollution then leads the entire living beings, including those themselves, to live in a state of hell. So, our mission is to eliminate pollution. So, in order to achieve this, let's reuse, recycle, and reduce, rejuvenate, reproduce all those waste to be helpful to us to live a decent life on this earth. Because the ultimate aim of any human being is to attain moksha. Moksha, this is an abbreviation which tells us moha kshaya. Moha means ignorance or kshaya means decay. Decay of ignorance is the moksha. And we wish you all the best to attain that, and let's listen in the musical form.
जो वेदवादी कामना प्रिय स्वर्ग इच्छुक मूड है, अतिरिक्त इसके कुछ नहीं, बातें बढ़ा कर यूं कहे।
Dear devotees, we have spoken of heaven, the seeking of heaven leading to pollution on the earth. So let's be considerate to all living beings and reduce pollution. If we do that, we will be able to achieve heaven for every living being on this Mother Earth. I wish you all the very best of efforts in your own area of responsibility so that you cause minimum pollution. So this is where we come to the end of our today's Gyan Amrit Manthan with Om.